Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix the McDonald's app when the cart is not showing on your phone. First, check your internet connection. The McDonald's app needs a stable connection to load the cart properly. Next, fully close the McDonald's app and open it again. On Android, remove the app from recent apps. On iPhone, swipe up to close it completely. This refreshes the app and can fix small loading problems. If the cart is still missing, check for app updates. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and make sure you are using the latest version of the McDonald's app. Older versions may have bugs that cause features like the cart to disappear. Another helpful step is clearing the app cache. On Android, go to your phone settings, open apps, then app settings, select McDonald's, then tap clear cache. Make sure the app has permission to access your location. Without location access, the app may not load ordering features correctly. If none of these steps work, restart your phone and open the app again. A restart often fixes hidden system issues. If the cart still does not show, the issue may be on McDonald's servers. In that case, wait some time and try again later. Thanks for watching.